I decided to try out the viral bright under eye and reverse contouring trend that I've been seeing all over TikTok. So first I'm going in and color correcting any dark spots I have on my face. And this is actually a drugstore product that I purchased, but it wasn't really working for me. I think it'll work better on lighter skin tones. So I went back in with my favorite color correcting product by NARS, which is a darker orange that really cancels out the darkness. And you want to make sure that you do this step first before applying the concealer so that it doesn't turn out ashy. I'm applying my concealer by Fenty Beauty to all of the high points of my face and blending everything well. That's one thing that you got to make sure that you do, especially with contouring, is blend, blend, blend. You want to make it look seamless and not harsh. And I usually don't even contour. When I do my makeup, I usually just add foundation and concealer. Next, I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty contour and adding that to my nose, temples, forehead, and cheeks. And once again, blending everything well. Next, I'm going in with another concealer that is a little bit lighter than the last one, just to add extra brightness. And make sure that you blend all of this out well. And somehow I missed a step recording, but before I added in this super bright loose powder, I added in a powder that was the same color as the first concealer. This is a loose powder by Sasha in the color Buttercup. And blend, blend, blend. Now I'm going in with a darker powder that more closely matches the contour just to bring everything together. And I'm adding in some blush by NARS. And this iridescent blue color is by Color Cosmetics. I added that to my waterline also. And then I just added in some mascara and melted everything together with some setting spray. Let me know how you guys like this look. I was actually super surprised with the results. I don't usually wear this heavy of makeup, but it was a look that I actually liked.